Yeah. Finn, what you doing?
I'm gonna give Oliver a push.
What you doing?
You gotta stand up, silly.
What are you doing?
There you go. Give him a push. Push him here. Push him today. There you go. Oh, good. Give him a good hard push.
Good job, buddy. Oliver, you having fun? Whoops, I think we gotta turn around.
Yeah, we gotta reverse this train.
Look, Lucy's scared of you. Luce, what are you doing? Here, maybe Dad'll turn you around. Oh gosh. Okay, let's turn you around. Oh, okay.
There you go. Alright.
Okay.
Come back.
Oh, there you go.
Oops.
Whoa!
Oh, it's alright. You can get yourself up.
There you go. You're fine.
Silly boy.
What are you doing? Don't you want to push Oliver?
Come here. Here. There you go. There you go.
You pushing Oliver?
There you go, buddy. Good job.
Coming? Come on. Come on. Come on.
Good job.
Oh, we don't want to go any further here. Whoops. Should we turn around again? Here. You want to turn around again? Oops.
Now y'all line them up. There you go.
Where are you guys going?
Come over here.
Where are you going?
Turn. Turn a little.
Where are you going?
Turn.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna turn. There you go.
There you go.
Come on. I'm gonna push all the way away. You laughing? Is that funny? Is that funny? You're funny.
Oh, what, you done?
All done.
All done?
Yep, all of us done.
All done? Are you all done? Are you all done? Yes. Yes. Oh. Cool.
Going all